Voigtländer VITO CD and Kodak ISO 200 color print. Will this combo deliver also in 2026 very nice color picture? So stay tuned on this channel and stay until the end of this video to see the fantastic results. So now it's time to load this camera with this film. We will see how this combination of a 60-year-old camera and a brand new film will deliver, say, color print made at home. We will set the camera, everything is manual, of course, the focus and say time and everything will be set by hand, but I will make a comparison with the new instruments, with the new light meters, and see the difference if this light meter is already working after 60 years old light meters. We will see how this camera will manage the light, how the focus will be, how the picture comes. I will try to make my best to deliver for you very nice picture. Opening the box of the film, opening the camera, and take the film out. Okay, a little bit exaggerate with the noise. So you should open the leverage, insert the cartridge there, and move the film until it will be selected in the other leverage from the other side. Close the door before the light will destroy your film, and load the camera until start the first shot. So it's finished, ready to go. Close the boxes and we will start. So we have now to set the camera. The camera is loaded with a Kodak ISO 200 film, color film, and the first thing you have to do is set also here the meter with the ISO, the correct ISO grade here, and check the light. The light you can check by the windows, by the exposimeter, the light meter here, and say putting the camera in the direction of your subject. You need to set the red arrow with the white arrow here. Then it will give a combination of number. Here there is 11, and this 11 you have to set here on the lens by side here. Then when you set this, you will see basically between the exposure time and the diaphragm here, and you can eventually change a little bit because they were limited between 2.8 and 22, but the exposure time goes from 130 seconds to 250 seconds. And also don't forget to set manually the focus. That means you need to judge where is the focus, and you should put here on the lens. So then it's ready to start to shoot now. This was the first part of this video, so that I hope you enjoy how I load the camera, the sound of these mechanical jewels coming from Germany from 1963, and I hope that the film will stay very well in the cartridge here, because I have some impression that the loading mechanism is not running well. I hope that the picture they will come out as I expect, and I would like to show you the quality of these lenses and this camera. I hope that it will be possible, and you will see in the next video. Sorry to make two different videos about this camera, but I think it's also good things to wait and see what will happen later on using this fantastic camera outside and making several pictures, making comparison between digital and also say the analog camera. So I hope you enjoy and stay always tuned on this channel. That will help me if you like and subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you again on Movievox for the next video. Bye. Ciao.